Want to learn how to make a quick salsa de molcajete? That's today's video. I'll show you how to do it. I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing. So you've cured your molcajete. Now what? I'm going to show you how to make a really good, delicious salsa that will also season it. We'll start with some garlic. We like a lot of garlic. What you can do is smash these to get the skins off. And by the way, if you haven't cured your molcajete, I have a link to a video that will show you just how to do it right here. And then we're gonna add salt. So then we're gonna take our next step, which is smashing the garlic.
Red stuff on you.
What red stuff?
The red stuff on
Red stuff on there.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
you know, when you bang hardness stuff, then you can have red stuff.
So you can add a little bit more salt if you need. The salt is gonna help the garlic grind into a paste. So now we have our garlic paste. I'm gonna let that sit to the side while we prepare the rest of the stuff. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna use this chile de árbol. This one gives a really good flavor and it is spicy, but I like this one because you can really control the spice. You always know it's gonna be spicy, so I just, when I don't have jalapeno or serrano on hand, I put this one, and you know it's gonna be spicy. Mejor calidad and sabor preferido. Oh, okay, let's use it. So these are going to be toasted, and you want to be careful not to burn them because they will start tasting bitter. And you also want to have the fan on because the smoke is going to probably choke you out and you'll be coughing. If you don't smell it, but everybody starts coughing, it's because of the toasting the chilies. So just look out for that, turn the fan on, and stand back. Now that you have your toasted chili, and you can do this with the green ones as well, just blister them up a bit. And the more toasted, so this was kind of hot and they started darkening right away, but yes, yo te quiero más. But now you're gonna start breaking these up in here. And it's this, yo te quiero más. It's the same with the green ones, any kind that you want. There are some dried chilies too, like pekin and other chilies and stuff like that that you can get that aren't so hot. So you can see that the chili is also going to start turning into a paste, and you don't have to worry about if there's chunks. Sometimes I like the chunks, but not like huge ones, of course. But you can just keep doing this as much as you want. And in the meantime, I forgot to show you that we have to start roasting the rest of the ingredients. Roasting the tomatoes, they always dance like this for some reason, and the green chilies too. So there they are. You can put as much roast. I love you too, baby. To me, what I like about the salsa de molcajete is when it has that char on it. So I like waiting for that. Alright, the tomatoes are roasting. We're going to cut up some onion and cilantro for our salsa. And once your tomatoes are roasted to how you want them, then you can take them over to the molcajete and it's time to start smashing them. And smashing the tomatoes can be a bit tricky sometimes because they want to slip around. So I just try to push it down as gentle as I can until it busts open. And then you can start smashing the bigger chunks. And some people like to take out the peel, but I don't really mind it too much. I like the little charred pieces, so I just leave it in there. But for sure, you can take it out if you don't like it. And it's a good idea to do the tomatoes one at a time and all of the stuff one at a time, just so that it doesn't start splashing out all over the place. So one by one, I just drop in all the tomatoes until they're all done. And once you have the salsa at the consistency that you like, you can go ahead and add your cilantro and the chopped onion and give it a nice stir. And that's it. That is how you make salsa de molcajete. You can go ahead and toss some fresh, ripe avocado on top. I didn't have any, but that's the recipe, guys. Pretty easy, yeah? So you can serve this with chips. I went ahead and whipped up some tostadas and just tossed it on top of that. It tastes great with anything. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Song that I made. I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any. So I had to make my own. And I have no idea what I'm doing.